Are your property showings falling flat? Imagine stepping into a home that sparkles and feels inviting, instantly making buyers envision their life there. At TidyTex Home Cleaning, we specialize in transforming homes into irresistible listings. Our veteran-owned service in San Antonio is dedicated to helping realtors prepare properties for sale with quick and reliable cleaning solutions. We know that a clean home not only enhances its appeal, but also helps you close deals faster. With our flexible scheduling, we ensure homes shine just in time for open houses or buyer visits, making your job easier and more effective. Here's a quick tidy tip for realtors. Boost your listing's appeal for little to no cost. Before a showing, simply open all the blinds and turn on the lights. This simple act brightens the space, making it feel more welcoming and showcasing the home's best features. A well-lit home helps buyers feel at ease and excited about their potential new lifestyle. Ready to make an impression? Check the video description for more details and contact us today to elevate your property showings with TidyTex.